Hey Dome Dwellers, how is it going? It's been a while since I've been online, but with these California fires starting to kind of heater down a little bit, I have an idea. Let's rebuild California. Let's rebuild LA County. How do we do that? So the message that needs to go out to both developers and homeowners is stop building and stop buying wood homes. Why would you do this in fire-prone areas? It's just lunacy, right? So what's the fix? Concrete, aircrete, hempcrete. That's the fix, right? And of course, I sell hempcrete domes, and domes are even better because air and wind's going to go right over them instead of cinders hitting them all the time. So I have plans to work with a few people in California to actually start to negotiate how we can get these domes built. Now, for you homeowners, the possibility of living in a dome long term may or may not appeal to you, but what about a temporary solution? Domes can go up super quick, so while you're rebuilding a multi-million-dollar mansion, you can put a dome up in, say, 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 4, and then whatever it takes you 2, 3, 4, 6 months to build your beautiful home back, then you've got this ADU that you could use for in-laws, for workers, for Airbnb, whatever you want. And hell, even if you want to tear them down, it's hempcrete. So that means it'll go right back into the earth. Easy peasy. The homes will last you a very long time, though, if you want to leave them up. I mean, hempcrete domes are known to last, or reported to last rather, anywhere from 2 to 3 to 400 years. So it will probably outlast that mansion that you're trying to rebuild. All right. Now, I have no idea if they plan on doing the smart cities in these areas that burned, but let's be smart and not do smart cities, and let's be smart and build communities that are fireproof. And that's what hempcrete, concrete, and aircrete are. They are fireproof because of the lime and the mixtures that go into it. Hempcrete, you put a torch to it for 3, 4, 10, 12 hours, and it will not catch on fire. It'll char, but it will not catch on fire. So that's my idea, guys. That's how I think we can rebuild LA County, build a whole system, a whole network, a whole community of hempcrete domes, and call it a day. Coach got out.